taken much after your daylight. What's your name?
I'm Jaime Lannister of Casterly Rock, son of Tywin. A captive knight has a right to know his captor's identity.
Brienne of Tarth.
Tarth. Crescent moons and starbursts, Lord Selwyn Tarth. Your father. Do you have any brothers and sisters, my lady? It's a long way to King's Landing. Might as well get to know one another. Have you known many men? I suppose not. Women? Horses? I didn't mean to give offense, my lady. Forgive me.
Your crimes are past forgiveness, Kingslayer.
Why do you hate me so much? Have I ever harmed you?
You've harmed others. Those you were sworn to protect. The weak, the innocent.
Has anyone ever told you you're as boring as you are ugly?
You will not provoke me to anger.
I already have. Look at you. You're ready to chop my head off. Do you think you could? Do you think you could beat me in a fair fight?
I've never seen you fight.
The answer is no. There are 3 men in the kingdoms who might have a chance against me. You're not one of them.
All my life, men like you've sneered at me. And all my life, I've been knocking men like you into the dust.
If you're so confident, unlock my chains. Let's see what happens.
Do you take me for an idiot? In.
I took you for a fighter. A man, pardon, woman of honor. Was I wrong? You're afraid.
Maybe one day we'll find out, Kingslayer.